Alinity, a well-known content creator with millions of followers across various platforms, has found herself at the center of an explosive controversy. The internet was recently set ablaze when alleged leaks from her OnlyFans account surfaced, sending shockwaves through her fan base and critics alike. The explicit content, which was meant to remain exclusive to her subscribers, has now been widely circulated, raising serious concerns about privacy, security, and her future in the digital space. Social media erupted with speculation, memes, and heated debates about the authenticity and impact of the leaks. Some fans rushed to her defense, arguing that content leaks are an unfortunate reality of the industry, while others criticized her for venturing into such a risky endeavor. The divide has grown deeper, with supporters rallying behind her and detractors calling for her cancellation. Despite the chaos, Alinity has remained silent on the issue, fueling even more speculation about her next move. Will she address the scandal head-on, or will she attempt to ride out the storm in hopes that it will eventually blow over? The stakes couldn't be higher, as her reputation and career hang in the balance. Alinity's journey to internet stardom wasn't an overnight success. She built her brand over the years through gaming streams, engaging social media content, and controversial moments that often made headlines. From her infamous Twitch bans to public feuds with other creators, she has always managed to stay relevant, whether for good or bad reasons. This latest scandal, however, threatens to overshadow everything she has achieved. She initially gained popularity through her Twitch streams, where her engaging personality and gaming skills drew a loyal following. But with fame came scrutiny, and Alinity quickly learned that living in the public meant every move would be dissected and judged. Despite numerous setbacks and controversies, she maintained her influence and diversified her income streams, including ventures into OnlyFans. However, this latest controversy isn't just another bump in the road. It has the potential to redefine her entire career trajectory, as public perception can be unforgiving when it comes to breaches of trust and privacy. The question now is whether her fans will stand by her or turn their backs for good. When the leaks hit the internet, reactions poured in from all corners of the web. Forums, social media platforms, and news sites were flooded with discussions, speculation, and of course memes. Many critics saw it as another example of influencers facing the consequences of their choices, while others expressed sympathy, arguing that no one deserves to have their private content exposed without consent. Twitter threads analyzing the leak trended almost immediately, with some users dissecting the implications for online content creators. Discussions around digital security and the risks associated with platforms like OnlyFans took center stage, as more influencers found themselves questioning their own vulnerabilities. Despite the overwhelming noise, there were also voices reminding everyone of the human costs involved. Alinity, like many influencers, has built her life around her online persona, and such a massive breach could have severe personal and professional consequences. The conversation has moved beyond just her actions and has sparked a broader debate about privacy in the digital age. With sponsorship deals, brand collaborations, and subscriber revenue on the line, this controversy could have a significant financial impact on Alinity. Brands are often quick to distance themselves from influencers embroiled in scandals, fearing reputational damage by association. If major sponsors pull out, Alinity could see a drastic decline in her income streams. OnlyFans, despite being a lucrative platform, operates within a space fraught with potential risks, and content leaks are one of the biggest challenges creators face. The exposure of her content not only damages her reputation, but also affects potential earnings, as some fans may feel betrayed or uncomfortable continuing their support. Moving forward, Alinity will need to make strategic decisions about how she handles this fallout. Whether it means addressing the scandal directly or working on damage control behind the scenes, her next steps could determine whether she continues to thrive in the digital space or fades into obscurity. From a legal perspective, content leaks constitute a serious breach of intellectual property and privacy laws. If the leaks were the result of hacking or unauthorized distribution, Alinity may have legal recourse against those responsible. Many influencers have taken legal action in similar situations, but the process can be lengthy and costly. In addition to civil actions, there could also be ramifications for the platforms involved. OnlyFans, for instance, may face pressure to improve security measures to protect their creators better. Alinity herself might need to reassess how she handles sensitive content and whether continuing on the platform is worth the potential risks. Despite the legal options available, the damage to her reputation is already done in the court of public opinion. Winning a lawsuit might offer financial compensation, but it won't necessarily restore her image in the eyes of fans and critics. The mainstream media has picked up on the controversy, with entertainment news outlets covering the story in detail. The narrative has shifted from just another OnlyFans leak to a cautionary tale for influencers navigating the digital world. As more reports emerge, the pressure on Alinity to respond grows stronger. Some media outlets have taken a sympathetic approach, highlighting the challenges faced by content creators and the importance of consent in the online space. Others have been far less forgiving, framing the incident as a scandal that could mark the end of her career. Regardless of the angle, the media attention ensures that this story isn't going away anytime soon. Every move Alinity makes from this point forward will be scrutinized, analyzed, and dissected by both fans and critics. Handling a public scandal of this magnitude requires a well-thought-out damage control strategy. Some influencers choose to go silent and wait for the controversy to die down, while others take a proactive approach by addressing the situation head-on. The question is, what will Alinity do? One option could be issuing a public statement acknowledging the leak and expressing her stance on the issue. This approach might help in regaining trust and showing accountability. Alternatively, she could shift focus to new content, hoping to redirect attention to more positive aspects of her career. Public relations experts often suggest transparency and authenticity in moments of crisis. Whether Alinity chooses to follow this advice remains to be seen, but whatever she does, it will be crucial in shaping her public perception moving forward. The future looks uncertain for Alinity as she navigates through this storm. Some influencers have managed to bounce back from similar scandals, using them as learning experiences and rebranding opportunities. Others have faded away, unable to recover from the damage done to their reputation. Alinity has a strong fan base that could help support her during this time, but she will need to demonstrate resilience and adaptability. Reinventing herself, exploring new platforms, or even stepping away from the public eye for a while might all be options on the table. In the ever-changing digital landscape, one thing is clear: how she responds now will shape the trajectory of her career for years to come. The Alinity leak scandal serves as a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities that come with online fame. For influencers and content creators, it underscores the importance of security, privacy, and carefully considering the risks involved in sharing exclusive content. Fans and creators alike are taking note, reflecting on how such incidents could impact their own lives. Conversations about digital boundaries and the ethics of sharing leaked content continue to grow, highlighting the need for better protections in the online space. While Alinity deals with the fallout, the broader lesson remains: no one is immune to the challenges of the digital age. Alinity's OnlyFans leak is more than just another internet scandal. It's a pivotal moment in her career that could determine her future in the industry. Whether she rises from the ashes or succumbs to the pressure remains to be seen, but one thing is for sure: